Can you get a divorce in Palmdale without an attorney? Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with divorce661.com. If you live in Palmdale and are thinking about divorce, you might be wondering, do I really need to hire an attorney? The answer is not always. If your case is amicable, meaning you and your spouse agree on property, custody, and support, you can absolutely get divorced in Palmdale without an attorney. California law allows you to represent yourself, and many couples choose this route to save thousands in legal fees. But here's the catch. The paperwork must be done correctly. Every step, filing the petition, serving your spouse, completing financial disclosures, and submitting your final judgment, has to meet strict court requirements. Mistakes or missing forms can delay your case for months. For example, we recently helped a Palmdale couple who filed on their own but had their judgment rejected twice. We fixed the errors, resubmitted, and had their divorce approved, without either of them ever stepping foot in court. At Divorce 661, we specialize in helping Palmdale residents complete their divorce without attorneys. Our flat fee service takes care of the paperwork, filing, and judgment approval so you can finalize your divorce quickly and affordably. If you're looking for a way to get divorced in Palmdale without paying high attorney fees, visit divorce661.com for a free consultation.